Yes, folks, winter is here, and camping is not an option. But that doesn't stop us from thinking and planning and even reminiscing some of our camping. However, in the meantime, what I'm doing is I am slowly decluttering because it seems like it's a good time to be doing that. If you're indoors a lot, then look after the indoors. And one of the big rooms I'm going to have to tackle is the room that has all of my camping gear in it. So I'm going to organize it, set it up, and get it ready to go. What I learned about camping, I can actually live with a lot less and still feel okay about everything. Camping is a rehearsal for minimalism. It teaches us what we can live with. It teaches us about what's important. We have all these things. In my house, I have all these things. My house is not messy, dirty. It just have things stored in corners everywhere, like journals and knitting items, and 2 box wooden crates where I'm throwing wool that I'm not sure what to do with, or at least I'm not working with right away. I cleared this shelf in my bathroom mercilessly, threw out 4 soaps that were on display that I had picked up on my travels. I don't really need them. I cleared away a number of things off these shelves, and now they look cleaner to me. Actually, it looks a bit sparse, but I can get used to how it looks. So now I need to sort through my camping items, and I'm going to put them in boxes and store them that way, at least for now. And just organize it. I want my rooms to look neater, cleaner, more streamlined. And it's funny because when I look at my art room and I walk into it now, even though the process in that room is not finished, it still looks cleaner. It's just more fun to walk into that room. I walk into the room and realize I don't have a bunch of stuff on the floor that I need to navigate around so I don't bump my toes into it. It's a joy to walk into that room, and that's something I didn't expect to happen. So sorting, organizing, straightening things out, and clearing up and just freeing up floor space or cupboard space has brought a sense of joy. But most of all, I realize the things that I've let go so far, I'm okay. So in the next video, I will talk about the emotional content that occurs, the things that happen emotionally. You know what I have found? I found that it's actually freeing, and that surprised me. I wasn't expecting that. But we go into this feeling scared. I think we're wondering, will I be the same? What we're really questioning is the emotional component of letting go. It's not easy, but it can be done. And with a bit of fortitude and reassurance for self that you're going to be okay, you proceed through the whole process. So what camping taught me, and I keep going back to this in my head whenever I think about any of the times I was camping, it taught me that I can actually live well with less, and it's okay to let go. And so I'm in the process of letting go and decluttering, organizing, and gaining some of that freedom feeling. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button or whatever, leave a comment. And if you're in the process of decluttering, let me know what you're finding to be the most difficult aspect of it all.